This is Bobby at Allstar TV Repair with a functionality proof video for an LG mainboard that was serviced almost a month ago, belonging to Allstar TV shop. That's the board. You can see it connected with a usual MP3 player. This is the TV, as can be seen in our other videos, and plugging in, one click, or maybe the power board has not discharged at all, to be clicking again, power on. Okay, now it clicked, slight buzzing from the sustain boards, and going out. This board is as it came from the box. Nothing was done to it on our end. You can see the menu, and that's it. The customer said that I just read the message. The board was not working and the TV was not coming up. Well, I can't say it better than that. Hopefully that will satisfy them again. Nothing was done to that board since it was returned here. We just opened the package, and therefore you shouldn't expect that it will be working again when it comes back on your side. Thank you.